G'day. Look, today I just wanted to talk to you quickly about some base items of survival equipment that you should carry with you all the time. Whenever you're out camping, hiking, just doing a day walk, if you're driving out in your four-wheel drive, anywhere you go in the Australian bush, you should carry these base level items, and it should be actually on you. You should also have another range of gear with you in a day pack or a small bag that you can carry with you that should include water. And not just a 600ml plastic water bottle. They should carry a good quantity of water, at least 2 litres per person per day in this big country of ours. Alright, so beyond that you might have a hiking pack or a camping pack. That should have a range of other gear and food, shelter, water components to that as well. To keep yourself built up with a system of different survival options that give you that ability to look after human life support requirements when things go astray. In your vehicle you should always also have another layer again of equipment. But back to just what you should carry directly on you. The first thing I think you should all carry, irrespective of the nature of it, is a good knife. Carry a pocket knife, a folding knife, a multi-tool, whatever your personal preference is, but carry that with you. That's going to provide you the baseline cutting tool requirements for all your stuff in the bush. And you'd be amazed how often you need that particular tool. It's probably our centre focus in terms of a tool choice for survival or bushcraft in the Australian outback. The other things I recommend all people carry are simple, and you should carry them, as I said, directly on your body. This one is a mirror, a simple signal mirror. It's protected by a little case, so that I've got the full use of that device when it's needed. Now, I don't use the peephole. I've done another video on that as to rationale of why I don't use the peephole, but you do need a good, reliable, protected surface. Whether you just put tape over that until you need it, that'll work fine. And you don't need to go and buy one. You can just get a makeup mirror or any other small bit of plastic with a mirror surface on it and make that your emergency signal mirror. This has got a piece of cordage on it as well, probably enough, just enough to make a bow drill if you had that skill set. Probably a little bit on the short side, but you'd get by if you had to. And it's also equipped at the other end with a whistle. So if I fall over, break a leg, and that can happen to anyone, no one's immune from that type of thing, get bitten by a snake, somehow get separated from your group while you're having a rest stop or something, at least you can relocate yourself to them and them to you by blowing simple blasts in a pattern of 3 to get people's attention that you require assistance. So that would be it, at least. And if you're going to jungle country, close country, remember, you're just getting disorientated. It can be as simple as going to have a wee over behind the tree over there, turning around and your group's gone. Happens. If you've not been in jungle that thick, you probably won't appreciate that, but if you have, you know how important those two items are particularly. They should be around your neck, in a pocket, tied to you. Never go off your body. And if you follow those basic principles, you're going to have at least a level of safety when you're out in the bush. So, signal mirror, whistle, cutting tool, and a fire lighting device. Didn't mention that one, but a fire lighting device in terms of a fire steel that you can use in conjunction with your knife. There's basically most of your requirements wrapped up in a shell. Make sure you wear sensible clothing. Thongs, board shorts and a singlet are not appropriate clothing for the bush. You can try it, be my guest, but you need long sleeve, long pants, closed in footwear and a light jacket at least. Stay safe out